Comprehensive Swedish coffee makers comparison. Swedish coffee makers have long been celebrated for their unique designs, artisanal brewing methods, and ability to deliver a rich, flavorful cup of coffee. Whether you're a coffee connoisseur or a casual enthusiast, investing in a high-quality coffee maker can elevate your coffee experience. In this review, we tested and compared 5 standout models. The Dig UO Belgian luxury siphon coffee maker is a visually stunning coffee maker that combines artistry with functionality. Its rose gold finish and retro-style design make it a centerpiece in any kitchen. With a 500 milliliter capacity, it's ideal for brewing 3 to 5 cups of coffee. The reusable cloth filter is environmentally friendly and ensures a clean, bold flavor profile. The materials used, including 304 stainless steel and borosilicate glass, highlight its durability and premium construction. In terms of performance, the Dig UO excels at delivering a clean and aromatic brew free of bitterness. The manual operation allows for precise control over the brewing process, which is perfect for those who enjoy the ritualistic aspect of coffee preparation. However, its manual nature may not appeal to users seeking convenience. While the reusable filter is a great feature, it requires regular maintenance to ensure optimal results. List 2. The Nispera Belgium Balanced Siphon Coffee Maker is a budget-friendly option that doesn't compromise on style or functionality. Its copper and rose gold finish exudes elegance, while the vacuum brewing system offers a visually captivating coffee-making experience. With a 500 milliliter capacity, it's perfect for small gatherings or personal use. The inclusion of a heat source adds theatricality to the process, making it an excellent choice for coffee enthusiasts. This coffee maker delivers a rich and aromatic brew, thanks to its precision brewing method that preserves the coffee's natural oils. However, the heat source requires careful handling, and the manual operation may not appeal to busy users. Despite these minor drawbacks, the Nispera is a fantastic option for those seeking an affordable yet stylish coffee maker with artisanal brewing. List B. The SMEG ECF01 CRUS Espresso coffee machine is a premium offering that combines retro aesthetics with modern functionality. Its cream-colored finish and compact design make it a stylish addition to any kitchen. With a 1-liter capacity and 15-bar professional pressure, this machine is designed to deliver exceptional espresso and cappuccinos. The user-friendly control panel allows for easy customization of settings, while the adjustable steam wand ensures rich, creamy froth. Performance-wise, the SMEG excels in delivering consistent and high-quality espresso. The thermoblock system ensures quick heating, while the decalc system alarm adds convenience for maintenance. However, its high price point and reliance on manual operation may not justify the investment for casual users. This model is best suited for espresso enthusiasts who value. List 4. The Dig UO Belgian Family Balanced Siphon Coffee Maker in Egyptian black and gold is an elegant and artistic coffee maker. Its double-ridged fulcrum and T-handle add a touch of sophistication, while the reusable cloth filter ensures a bold and clean brew. The 500 milliliters capacity is ideal for small households, and the BPA-free borosilicate glass adds durability and safety. This model delivers a flavorful and aromatic coffee experience, with a design that serves as a conversation starter. However, its manual operation and intricate design may require a learning curve for first-time users. It's a great option for those who prioritize aesthetics and are willing to invest time in the brewing process. List number 5. The SMEG Fully Automatic Coffee Machine in Taupe is a modern, feature-rich coffee maker designed for convenience and versatility. With a built-in conical burr grinder, 19-bar pressure and thermoblock heating system, it ensures optimal coffee extraction. The integrated milk frother expands beverage options to include lattes, cappuccinos, and mochas, making it a versatile choice for coffee lovers. While the SMEG Fully Automatic excels in convenience and versatility, it has received mixed reviews from users. Its 3.0 star rating suggests potential issues with reliability or ease of use. However, its fully automatic operation and range of features make it a strong contender for those seeking a hassle-free coffee experience.